Alright, we're taking the plastics off of this and we're dielectric greasing plugs, and while I'm in here I'm going to do the same thing with this heat shield. So we're going to remove this off up here. Next, with your exhaust removed, all you have to do is get to your exhaust donut right here. So that will just slip off like right there, right like that. Then you can put your new exhaust donut, slip that on, and then reverse the procedure and stick everything back on. All right, I went ahead and taped underneath here with my heat tape. So that is good. All that aluminum had fallen off, so new heat tape on there. Now we can put our heat shield back up under here, right like that. So we're gonna grab our bolts and of course blue Loctite on these. Get these started in there. I've also added those washers like I did on the last ATV I did. It's gonna give us a little bit longer on this heat shield because this aluminum will wear through over time. So those wider washers are gonna cover a larger area. I'm gonna leave this one up here off until I get the exhaust on. Snug these down. Get the muffler in here, and you kind of gotta work it through the back here to get in there. You've got these rubber grommets you gotta fit it into, so kind of helps to keep the back loose. You can wiggle it around. Line it up with those 3 holes. Get onto your exhaust donut up here. Stick our last screw in. Eliminated all that rattle. We can put our springs back on. We can slip our second heat shield on here. Get that into position there and get our screws started in that. Snug those down. Those have locking washers on them. Just snug those down until they're snug and you're good to go. There's your muffler back on. You've got a new donut. You've got your heat shield fixed up. All right, so that is how to replace the exhaust gasket or donut on your ATV. Real simple to do. Just remove your rear fenders. You get access to the muffler and that tailpipe right there. You have to remove that side panel as well. But hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. Be sure to like, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.